Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. We'll be discussing about the skin type and the foundation suitable for your skin types. So do watch it till the end. Do you know you were using the wrong foundation? So in this video, you will know the right foundation suitable for your skin. There are 4 basic types of healthy skin: normal, dry, oily and combination. Our first one is the normal skin. The normal skin is neither too oily or neither too dark. It is balanced. The T-zone may be a bit oily. The normal skin includes good blood circulation, fine pores, soft and smooth textures and no blemishes. Dry skin. Dry skin has less sebum than normal skin. Dry skin is rough and tight. Like as you grow old, you may be getting wrinkles and lines comparatively more. Then comes the oily skin. Oily skin is basically like a glossy skin. It has enlarged and clearly visible pores. And there's a lot problem of acne. And then comes the combination skin. So the combination skin can have oily T-zone and normal to dry cheeks. Now the types of foundations. So guys, there are a lot of foundations, but do listen. Do not get bored. Liquid foundation, cream to powder foundation, stick foundation, powder foundation and mineral foundation. So liquid foundation. These usually comes in bottles and tubes. The coverage can range from super sheer to full. They are easy to blend. Another great thing is you can just easily mix up 2 shades to get a perfect shade. Cream foundation. These usually come in compacts and works best for dry skin. They have heavy texture and coverage. Cream to powder foundation. These have powdery finish and give you a matte look. Plus, they are good for combination skin. Stick foundation. They also provide heavy coverage. These can be used as concealers as well. They can clog your pores easily. Powder foundation. So these come in compact and give you a matte look. They are great for touch-ups. Mineral foundation. These usually come in loose powder and provide medium to high coverage. However, they can be dry for dry skin. I do not recommend mineral foundation for dry skin. Now let's start for the foundations for the different skin types. So normal skin, I have a normal skin. I use PAK foundation. I love this foundation. This gives medium coverage and even blends very easily. Plus doesn't give you a cakey look. Then comes the dry skin. If you are someone with dry skin, choose a hydrating powder foundation or a liquid or a stick one. These have creamy consistency which deliver moisture to your skin and gives great coverage. You can try Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour Wear Hydra Foundation or NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. Then comes oily skin. If you are someone with oily skin, use powder foundation or oil-free, even liquid one. The powder foundation contains powder which give you a matte look, even a smooth matte finish. Mineral foundation also works well on oily skin. You can try Hourglass Immaculate Liquid Powder Foundation or Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation or Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. And then comes the combination skin. For combination skin, you can try mix matching the formulas and avoid foundations that are rich in oil. I would suggest Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. Also, do use correct brush or blender for foundation. I would show you the brush as well as blender. This is foundation brush. This is a perfect foundation brush. Apply foundation, dab it, and then this is the foundation blending brush. You just have to blend in the circular motion, and this is so nice. It's so smooth. I love this brush, but I don't use it much because I love blender. This is the silicone blender I'm using. Basically, silicone blenders do not absorb your product much compared to other sponge beauty blenders. Plus, the main thing of this beauty blender is after washing, you don't have to keep it like for hours and hours for drying. So this is what I love the most about this blender. and like other sponge beauty blenders, it doesn't get big in size. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Keep supporting, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.